Hello everyone, today we will make this crochet hoop earring design. For making this I am using cotton thread, hoop earring, 4 number crochet hook and scissor. Let's start. Connect. Now one single crochet, second single crochet, third single crochet. I will cover this ring by making single crochet all around and complete my work. I made 30 single crochet all around. Now I will turn my work inside like this. Now 2 chain, I will skip next stitch. In next stitch 1 double crochet, again skip next stitch. In next stitch 1 double crochet, skip 1 stitch. In next stitch 1 double crochet. So I will follow same pattern. I will skip 1 stitch. In next stitch I will make a 1 double crochet all around. So total 15 double crochet and complete my work. I have completed my work by making 15 double crochet all around. Now last 2 chain, connect in last stitch by slip stitch. And cut the thread. Our earring is ready. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.